So we're getting ready to do some hand sanding, and so we have to do all these different areas and basically make everything not shiny. There's a lot to do, so I have a few hours. I'm gonna dig in, see what happens. Well, we got it pretty good. Got all the way up to the doorway. Still need to do the bottom trim, but looking pretty good. Got the whole hood, all the edge. So one thing is you know, sanding this is just for primer. This is not, you know, after any other section after this. You know, if we're doing anything else, it's going to be very meticulous. You know, you drop a rag on the ground, you don't pick it back up and use it on the car because you're going to scratch the hell out of it. That's not what process we're in right now. We're in the just get it to where it's not shiny. You're going to spray some build primer on this thing, and then you're going to be sanding the crap and, you know, using glass and all sorts of stuff to smooth it out. So I'm not worried about those type of nuances and whether I did a full hatch pattern, even though hatch pattern is good. But there's certain areas here in the belt line and stuff that you just really can't get a hatch pattern in. Maybe if I had a shorter cylindrical that I could use with the sandpaper, it'd work pretty well. But all in all, we're doing pretty good. Again, the detailed sanding comes in the next process, not this process, so I don't want to see a bunch of hate. So anyways, going pretty good. I'm going to keep going at this another day when I have some more sunlight, and go from there. Alright, it's 48 degrees out. It's way too cold to be out here as far as I'm concerned. And my focus is going to be get this part right here, and then we're going to try to go in and maybe notch one of these areas and see how these little trunk things fit in. And then if that's good, I'll cut the rest of it, because later today it's supposed to be raining all day. And so I could get some work done here and then bring the car in and maybe start bending this trunk, or maybe do it tomorrow, I'm not sure. But in any case, definitely has some work. I think the rest of this I'm going to do with this off, because I'm just going to dust the leather and all that, and I don't want to do that. And then I'll have to see what I want to do with the side panels and get those finalized or not. So that's what we're doing.